Right, I've practically finished this door, and I've left the roof open so I can get my arm in to work the door handle, because I can't open the door anymore. So now I'll put this panel on, and that piece there is to take the bristle strip along the edge, and that's as far as I've got with that. I should probably put a cover on here, padded vinyl sort of cover, to make it look a bit better, but I'm going to leave it like that for now, and I'm going to carry on with that side, which I've just got to put it all back together and put the window in, and I've polished up this stainless triangle, and that's as far as it got. Painted up this frame, so that's okay, and that's shut, so that's that. Only thing is, for some reason it's hitting here a little bit, so I've got to take a little bit more material away there so that that frame doesn't hit there. Didn't hit before, so it must have grown or something. I'm not sure what's going on, but that's the handle that opens the door. Beauty. There. And if I open the door and I shut the roof and I shut the door, I can't open it. I have no handle. I've had it. But that's the general look of it, with the perspex in. And the dog is having a complete and utter fit. Yeah. Now, I have to go in through this side, crawl through the car, like the tunnel in an escape film, and open the other door. Voila. I don't mind it with the aluminium on it. I'll just shut that again. I'll come back a bit further. There. I might just brush that surface to make it look like a brushed finish for now, and I'll leave it like that, but it's a bit plain. But so if I cover it with the vinyl padding, I think it'll look better. Go with the rest of the interior, but that'll do for now. So that's that. Because inside that door, like this door, if I can turn round, is the solenoid. And that solenoid isn't connected up yet. But that one is what works the catch. And if that goes like that, that'll operate the door catch. If I shut that again, this wire, which has no handle on the end of it, operates the door handle. Yeah. So you got that crank, works one or the other, or that one, which goes up in the door and works the door catch. So that's the idea of that, and that'll be wired, that'll be connected up there to some to a micro switch on the outside of the car, where you can operate the door handle from outside. So by sheer miracle, I managed to make retractable windows and a quarter light frame and squeeze it all inside of these little tiny doors. It was a bit of a mission, but it does seem to be working. And they're not too bad. They're a little bit of flex on them, but it's not too bad. And glass would eliminate that, because it's bending across that corner. Glass wouldn't do that as much. Glass would be virtually rigid. So, but that'll do for now. And I made templates of those, that exact size, and I can send that away and get glass ones made, I think. So that's that. There's really a lot more I can do. Just put the other side together and it's pretty much there. I'm just going to put the seats back in and the fuel tank back in and the exhaust back on. I bolt the bumpers on properly and put the badges on. What else? I don't know. Probably something else. Oh, I'll put all the dash back in. Oh, for God's sake. How much more is there to do? Well, I haven't made the exhaust yet. I'll make side pipes, but that'll be a different exercise altogether. And these stone guards. I'm now in the inner sanctum. I'm going to shut the door. There's nothing to grab hold of. See it. I'm in. So, where's my knee? There's my knee. So that's not too bad. It's about the same as it was before, but it used to curve in a little bit more because it was more hollow, but they were in a lot less room than what they used to be. So, ain't too bad. Doesn't look too bad when you put your arm there. There's, you know, a bit of room. It's more room than inside of a Land Rover. But anyway, Land Rover's like that. You've got to squeeze against the glass. Like a fly on a windscreen. But not bad. So it's pretty claustrophobic in here. I should probably hate it. Now I've made it, I should probably hate it and stick it up for sale on eBay. There. Right, now I'm going to go for the ultimate now. I'm going to open the door. This is what it was all about. Open the door. Door opening. Open the roof. And there goes the roof panel. And now I can get out without smashing my head. Beauty. Shut that. And shut the door. Without shutting it all the way because I can't open it. There. Well, that was it. There's nothing else I can do to that. I don't think I can do any more or show any more on those doors for the minute. That's pretty much it. So until I actually put it together and get it outside, start the thing out, taking video of it then. I don't see what else I can do really. But it's been a bit of a job.